Hi guys, i-share ko naman yung itinerary and expenses namin sa Hong Kong last June 2023. Alam ko sobrang delayed na nito pero gusto ko pa rin i-share sa inyo kung ano yung mga nagastos tsaka yung itinerary namin last time. So first, Cebu Pacific flight, nabili ko siya last Feb 2023, then ang flight namin is June 2023. So nag-sale kasi yung Cebu Pacific last time, so that's 4,550 per head. Wala pa tong baggage. Nagbayad kami ng Philippine Travel Tax online, so that's 1,670. Pero kung doon kayo sa airport magbabayad, it's 1,620. I suggest na sa airport na lang kayo magbayad kasi wala namang pila. So pagdating namin ng Hong Kong airport, nag-claim kami ng Hong Kong goodies. By the way, sikat kasi Hong Kong goodies last 2023. Ngayon kasi wala ni. So, and after nun, kinuha naman namin yung SIM card tsaka Octopus card sa arrival area sa booth A13. Yung SIM card is 416 pesos. So, isa lang binili namin. Nag-share na lang kami doon. Then, yung Octopus card is 735 pesos per head. So, ito sa Klook ko rin binili. Since may Hong Kong goodies kami noon, kinuha namin yung Airport Express na free. So, from Hong Kong Airport going to Hong Kong Station. Pero mabibili nyo rin to sa Klook mga 750 pesos. So, malaki din yung natipid namin dahil sa Hong Kong goodies. From Hong Kong Station, lumipat kami ng MTR going to Tsim Sha Tsui Station. That's 75 pesos. Then, from Tsim Sha Tsui Station, nag-lunch kami sa Max Noodles. Walking distance lang siya, mga 2 minutes away. Then, sa Max Noodles, nag-share lang din kami ng best friend ko dun sa food. So, that's 335 pesos per head. From Max Noodles, nilakad namin going to Chungking Mansion. By the way, kung sa Chungking Mansion kayo mag-stay, bawal to sa maarte kung ayaw nyo sa magulo. Kasi sa baba, madaming mga ibang lahi nag-aalok ng mga rooms. Then, may mga foreign exchange kasi maganda kasi palitan dun sa Chungking Mansion. Kaya madaming tao. Pero kung vegetarian kayo, okay naman. Like, gusto kasi namin ipakita kung ano yung environment sa Chungking Mansion, kaya kami nagstay dito. Nabook ko for the Chungking Mansion or the iTop Guest House is 12,358 pesos for 2. So, dalawa na kami doon. So, 6,179 pesos per head. By the way, lagi nyo i-check yung nabubook nyo kasi di ko napansin meron pala tong service charge na 1,483. So, after namin mag-check-in, nagpahinga lang kami saglit. Then, we're going to Competition Pavilion. Sumakay kami ng bus 2916D. Paglabas ng Chungking Mansion, left side, andun na yung bus station. So, hintayin nyo lang yung 2916D. Papunta kami ng Competition Pavilion, that's 73 pesos per head. Then, nag-picture-picture lang kami doon. Naalala ko, nag-milk tea rin ako dito eh. Maganda rin siya sa gabi, para siyang Avenue of Stars. May mga buildings, tsaka yung mga lights. Then, after nun, sumakay ulit kami ng bus 2916D, kung saan din kami binaba. We're going back to Tsim Sha Tsui, so that's 51 pesos per head. Then, from I-Square, nilakad namin going to Eat More More. Yun yung name ng restaurant. Katabi kasi ito ng Max Noodles. So, lunchtime pa lang, napansin na namin siya. So, para siyang karinderya. Mamimili ka ng ulam tsaka ng kanin. So, ang nabili namin is 219 pesos. Nag-share na lang kami dito kasi madami yung serving. So, 109 pesos per head. So, ang total na binayaran namin for the first day is 12,316. Included na dito yung flight, Philippine Travel Tax, SIM card, Octopus card, tsaka yung mga transpo going to Tsim Sha Tsui. Then, lunch and dinner sa first day. So, to second day tayo. Nag-breakfast kami sa Cafe de Coral. Sa taas lang to ng Chungking Mansion. So, from Chungking Mansion, turn right. May hagdan doon going to Cafe de Coral. So, ang nakain namin sa Cafe de Coral is 532 pesos. So, nag-share lang din kami doon. It's 266 pesos per head. Then, after no, nilakad namin going to Hong Kong Cultural Center and Clock Tower. Walking distance lang to from Chungking Mansion eh. Maganda rin kasing maglakad-lakad din doon. Malapit kasi siya sa lahat. Then, may nakita kami Mr. Softy. Nag-try kami. So, that's 48 pesos. For me, nothing special sa Mr. Softy. Then, may nakita ulit kaming HK Tourism Board. So, nag-claim ulit kami doon ng HK goodies. Then, from Hong Kong Cultural Center going to Seiko Center. So, yung Seiko Center is like a theater. Nag-bus ulit kami. So, that's 59 pesos per head. Then, nag-picture-picture lang kami na maganda rin kasi yung architecture. So, sa Seiko Center, we're going to Art M. So, from Seiko Center, nilakad namin going to Jordan Station. Then, from Jordan Station, going to Admiralty Station, nag-MTR kami. That's 75 pesos per head. Admiralty Station, going to Clary Bay Station, that's 53 pesos per head. So, going MTR din to. So, from Quarry Bay Station, nilakad na lang namin going to Art M. Yung Art M, dyan, ipapakita ko na lang. Bubuk nyo rin to sa Klook. It's 610 pesos namin nakuha. And pwede nyo gamitin yung promo code ko. It's Lorraine Daliave Klook sa lahat ng mga Klook activities nyo. Then, kung sa hotel naman, it's Lorraine Daliave Hotel. So, from Art M, by the way, sa Art M, nag-picture-picture lang kami, maganda sa loob. Then, from Art M, going to Monster Building kami, nag-bus kami. That's 36 pesos per head. Yun, nag-picture-picture lang din kami sa Monster Building. For me, parang, huwag nyo na lang puntahan yung Monster Building kasi maganda siya sa picture, pero magulo doon, para siyang lumang building talaga, makulay. So, for me, hindi ko na siya babalikan, ganun. So, from Monster Building, we're going to the Victoria Peak or the Sky Terraces, 428. So, from Monster Building, naglakad kami going to Quarry Bay Station ulit. Then, from Quarry Bay Station to going to Central Station, nag-MTR kami. That's 53 pesos per head. So, from Central Station, unang-una, pwede niyang lakarin to, pero may uphill. Then, meron ding bus. Pero mas pinili namin mag-taxi na lang since dalawa naman kami. So, yung taxi namin is 99 pesos per head. Then, going sa Victoria Peak, nabili ko yung ticket ulit sa Klook. Nakuha ko ng 720 pesos. Then, doon kami sa taas nag-dinner sa Hong Kong Day Restaurant. Kasi dito is, nag-claim ulit kami ng Hong Kong goodies. So, malaki rin yung natipid namin eh. So, from the Peak Tram, nag-bus kami, going to Central Exchange Square. That's 37 pesos per head. Then, from Central Exchange Square, nilakad namin going to Central Star Ferry Pier para matry din namin yung ferry. So, yung ferry is going to Chim Chim Chewy. So, parang tatawirin lang yun eh. So, that's 29 pesos per head. So, from yung Chim Chim Chewy Star Ferry Pier going to Chungking Mansion, nilakad na lang din namin. Malapit na rin naman to. Mga 15 minutes walk. So, ang total na nagastos namin for day 2 is 2,085 pesos per head. Okay, so day 3 tayo. We're going to Ocean Park. Pero before kami pumunta ng Ocean Park, pumunta muna kami ng Bake House na malapit sa Chungking Mansion. So, mga 4 minutes walk. Bumili kami ng tart, ng breads para pang breakfast namin. So, from Bake House, nilakad namin ulit going to Chim Cham Chewy Station. Then, from Chim Cham Chewy Station, going to Admiralty Station. By the way, we're going to Art Lane pala muna, before going to Ocean Park. So, from Chim Cham Chewy Station, pumunta kami nag-MTR kami going to Admiralty Station. That's 75 pesos per head. Then, for Admiralty Station, lumipat kami ng train going to Sayingpun Station. That's 42 pesos. Then, from Sayingpun Station, nilakad na namin going to Art Lane. Mga paintings, ganun. Then, yung binili namin from Bake House, doon na lang din namin kinain kasi parang meron dong park. So, after namin mag-picture-picture, we're going to Ocean Park. So, from Sayingpun Station, pumunta kami ng Admiralty Station via MTR. That's 42 pesos. Then, from Admiralty Station, going to Ocean Park Station, 42 pesos din. Yes, may specific na Ocean Park Station kasi andun mismo yung Ocean Park. Then, yung Ocean Park ticket is nabili ko din via Klook. That's 1,942 pesos per head. Okay, so ito yung mga nasakyan namin. First is yung The Rapids. Then, trinay din namin yung The Flash. Yung Rapids pala is like yung Rio Grande ng Enchanted Kingdom. Then, The Flash, nagti-360 eh. Maganda rin to. Hay-Racer, bitin. Pero, okay lang. Roller coaster. Then, Arctic Blast. Pwede to pambata. Whirly Bird din kami. Nakakahilo. Giant Panda Adventure para makakita lang ng panda. Kumain din or nag-lunch din kami dun sa loob. Medyo pricey rin eh. Yung nag-lunch kami, mga noodles. So, 642 pesos per head. Then, after namin mag-Ocean Park, since mga hapon pa to eh, umalis na kami, we're going to M Plus Museum. So, from Ocean Park Station, going to Admiralty Station, nag-MTR ulit kami. That's 42 pesos. Then, from Admiralty Station, going to Central Station, it's 35 pesos. Then, from Kowloon Station, going to M Plus Museum, nilakad na lang namin. So, from M Plus Museum, tumambay kami ng M Plus Cinema. Nag-juice and matcha lang din yung friend ko. Then, from M Plus Museum, nag-I-Square kami via bus. So, that's 73 pesos. Then, sa I-Square, nilakad lang namin going yung sikat na street food. By the way, yung masungit yung mga tindera doon eh. Ayaw nila nag-video. So, ang total na nagastos namin for day 3 is 3,631 pesos per head. So, included na doon yung breakfast, lunch, tsaka dinner, tsaka yung entrance fee sa Ocean Park, and yung mga transpo. Medyo may kamahalan lang din yung mga transpo sa Hong Kong eh. Day 4 is pumunta kami ng bakehouse ulit para bumili ng breakfast. So, from bakehouse, nilakad namin going to Avenue Stars, mga 13 minutes walking distance. Then, kinain namin dun sa Avenue of Stars yung mga binili naming bread saka tarts from bakehouse. So, from Avenue of Stars, pupunta kami ng Run Run Shaw Creative Media Center. Nag-MTR kami going to Sham Shu Po Station. So, from Avenue Stars, nilakad namin going to East Chim Cham Chu Station. Then, from East Chim Cham Chui Station, nag-MTR kami going to Sham Shui Po Station. 51 pesos per head. Then, from Sham Shui Po Station, going to Shek Kip May Park. That's 45 pesos via bus. Then, from Shim Kep May Park, nilakad na lang namin going to Run Run Shaw Creative Media Center. Maganda yung building. Yung kasama ko kasi yung best friend ko, architect kasi siya. So, mahilig siya mag-drawing yung mga buildings. Yun. Nag-picture kami doon, then drawing niya yung building. Pwede ko i-share dyan yung drawing niya. Then, after namin mag-Run Run Shaw Creative Media Center, we're going to Siksik Yuwenyong Tai Sin Temple. So, from Run Run Shaw Creative Media Center, nilakad namin going to Kowloon Tong Station, mga 12 minutes walk. Then, from Kowloon Tong Station, going to Wong Tai Tin Station, nag-MTR kami, 34 pesos per head. Then, from Wong Tai Tin Station, walking distance na lang, going to Siksik Yuwenyong Tai Sin Temple. So, libre lang din dito, walang entrance fee. By the way, sa exit B, kayo mag-exit para mas malapit yung temple. So, naglakad-lakad kami, nakahanap kami or nag-lunch kami sa Cafe de Coral inside of Temple Mall North. Kasi dun mura eh. So, 299 pesos per head. So, from Temple Mall North, we're going to Nanlian Garden. So, nilakad namin going to Wong Tai Tin Station. Then, nag-MTR ulit kami going to Diamond Hill Station. That's 35 pesos. Then, from Diamond Hill Station, walking distance na lang ang Nanlian Garden. By the way, ang Nanlian Garden is for free din. Malaki yung garden. Kailangan nyo talaga ng siguro mga half day dito. Kung gusto nyo talagang libutin. So, from Nanlian Garden, we're going to Choi Hong Station State Rooftop Basketball Court. Ito yung colorful basketball court. For me, mas okay pang puntahan to kesa sa Monster Building. So, from Nanlian Garden, nilakad namin ulit going to Diamond Hill Station. Then, from Diamond Hill Station, going to Choi Hong Station via train. That's 35 pesos. Then, lakad na lang going to the rooftop basketball court. So, literal na basketball court siya. Colorful lang kasi yung court mismo at saka yung building. So, pagdating namin doon, may naglalaro. So, nagpicture-picture lang kami. Then, we're going to Lokwa South Car Park. So, from the basketball court, nagbus kami to Lokwa Bus Terminus. That's 45 pesos. Tapos from Lokwa Bus Terminus, walking distance na lang yung Lokwa South Car Park. So, literal na car park din to. So, nagpicture-picture lang din kami. Ayan, papakita ko na lang dyan. Medyo paggabi na rin kasi yan eh. Then, from the Lokwa South Park, we're going to Taekwondo Center for Heritage. So, from the car park, nag-MTR kami. That's 74 pesos going to Central Station. Then, from Central Station, may nadaanan kaming share tea. So, nag-milk tea lang kami. So, that's 110 pesos per head. Then, from share tea, nag-dinner kami sa Chai Key Noodle. So, ito kasi is recommended. So, dun kami nag-dinner. Masarap din naman talaga yung noodles. It's 266 pesos per head. Then, from Chai Key Noodle, pinuntahan namin yung longest walkalator. From the longest walkalator, we're going to Taekwondo Center of Heritage. Lakad-lakad lang kami. Then, nag-picture-picture. Alam ko itong Taekwondo Center for Heritage, dati siyang kulungan. So, pinaganda lang nila. Maganda naman talaga siya. Naging attraction na rin siya ngayon. So, from Taekwondo Center for Heritage, nilakad namin going to Central Station. Then, from Central Station to Chimchanchui, nag-MTR kami. That's 74 pesos per head. So, ang total na gastos namin for day 4 is 1,390. Included na dito yung breakfast, lunch, dinner, tsaka yung transportation. So, for day 4, wala naman pala kami entrance fee since free yung mga pinuntahan namin. Day 5 is my birthday. So, June 11, nagmas muna kami sa Rosary Church. Malapit lang to sa Chungking Mansion. Pero nagbus na kami, that's 40 pesos per head. Then, from Rosary Church, nag-claim kami ng Pacific Coffee. Pagkakalala ko, yung Pacific Coffee drink kasi is free sa Disneyland ticket namin from Klook. So, lagi nyo din i-check yung mga tickets nyo from Klook kasi may mga free siya. Yung sa Ocean Park namin, may free kami 30 Hong Kong dollars. So, binili namin siya ng keychain. Nag-add na lang kami ng 10. So, from Pacific Coffee, lakad din kami going to Mira Place. Nag-redeem kami sa Hana Musubi since pwede dun yung HK goodies. So, from Mira Place, bus kami going to M Plus Museum. That's 50 pesos per head. Then, stay kami sa M Plus Museum. Nag-picture-picture, nag-check kung anong pwedeng mabili. M Plus Museum, we're going back to Taekwondo Center for Heritage para makita rin namin siya ng morning. Kasi noong day 4, gabi na kami nakakating dito eh. So, from M Plus Museum, nag-MTR kami going to from Kowloon Station going to Central Station. So, that's 75 pesos. Then, from Central Station going to Taekwondo Heritage, nag-taxi kami. That's 110 pesos per head. Pero kaya din lakarin to eh. Okay, so yun, nag-picture-picture lang din kami nun. Then, dumaan kami niyang Chongqing K Shanghai Pan Fried Buns. Masarap din to, kaso sobrang init ng loob. 4 pieces lang, nag-share lang kami, tag 2 pieces. So, that's 277. Then, from Chongqing K Shanghai Pan Fried Buns, nilakad namin going to Central Station. Pumunta kami ng Asia Society. So, from Central Station to Admiralty Station, nag-MTR kami. That's 37 pesos per head. Then, from Admiralty Station, walking distance na lang yung Asia Society. Yun, nag-picture-picture lang din kami doon. Free, walang entrance. Then, from Asia Society, dapat pupunta kami ng Ngongping 360. Pumunta na kami kasi na-late kami. 6 p.m. close na yung cable car. Tsaka paggabi na, kaya nag-decide na kami na wag nang pumunta rin. Kaya doon na lang kami ulit kumain sa Hong Kong Day Restaurant. Meron din doon sa Tung Chung. So, free ulit ang dinner namin. From Tung Chung, nag-decide kami na pumunta na ng Ladies Market. So, from Tung Chung Station, Nag-MTR kami going to Liking Station. That's 112 pesos. Malayo kasi yung Tungchung, malapit nito sa airport. Kaya I suggest kapag pupunta kayo ng Tungchung or going to Ngongping, punta kayo kung arrival or departure nyo na. Kasi malayo siya eh. Kailangan nyo talagang ibiyahe pa. So, kung arrival nyo naman, pwede kayong dumiretso from airport going to Tungchung. Ipapakita ko sa inyo may bus going to Tungchung. Then, pwede nyong iwan yung mga luggages nyo muna dun sa Citygate outlet. May mga luggage storage dun. Liking Station, nag-MTR kami going to Mongkok Station. That's 105 pesos. Then, from Mongkok Station, pwede nyo lang lakarin ng Ladies Market. Ito yung parang Divisoria. Daming yung pwedeng mabili. Mga souvenirs. Pero, ang tip ko sa inyo is wag kayong hawak ng mga pwedeng mabili doon. Kasi, nangyari sa akin, humawak or nagtanong ako sa isang bag eh. Naalala ko, hindi ko naman siya hinawakan. Pero parang hinahakas na ako nung tindera. Hanggang pinipilit niya talaga akong bumili. From Mongkok Station, nag-MTR ulit kami going to Chim Cham Chewy Station. That's 42 pesos. So, ang nagastos lang namin for day 5 is 743 pesos. Since halos wala kasi kaming entrance fee ng mga binayaran sa mga pinuntahan namin. So, included dito yung breakfast, lunch, then yung dinner namin is free nga sa Hong Kong Day Restaurant from Hong Kong Goodies. Okay, so day 6, so that's June 12, nag-Hong Kong Disneyland kami. But before that, pumunta muna kami ng Tamar Park. That time kasi nasaktuhan na nandun yung 2 docks. So, nag-breakfast kami sa hotel. Tinake out kasi namin yung mga tirang food namin sa Hong Kong Day Restaurant nung day 5. So, kinain lang din namin yon ng morning. Then, from Chungking Mansion, pumunta kami ng McDonald's. Malapit to sa ferry. So, nag-decide na lang kami na bumili ng food or ng burger baon namin sa Disneyland. So, going to Tamar Park, nag-ferry kami. Going to Central Ferry Park. So, that's 29 pesos ulit. Then, from Central Ferry Park, naglakad na lang kami going to Tamar Park. Para makita lang talaga yung 2 docks. Papakita ko dyan. Ang naalala ko, isa na lang kasi naabutan namin kasi pumutok daw yung isa. Because we're going to Disneyland. So, from Tamar Park, nilakad namin going to Admiralty Station. Then, from Admiralty Station, nag-MTR kami going to Liking Station. That's 77 pesos per head. Then, the Liking Station, going to Sunny Bay Station, nag-MTR ulit kami. That's 91 pesos. Then, ito yung sikat na Mickey Mouse train. From Sunny Bay Station to Disneyland Resort Station, that's 51 pesos per head. Since pa-lunch time na rin kasi nung pumunta, kinain na namin doon before kami pumasok yung burger na dala-dala namin from McDonald's. Ang mga sinakyan namin sa Disneyland is yung Big Grizzly Mountain, Hyperspace Mountain, Nag-Ironman Experience, Lion King, RC Racer. Yung RC Racer, para siyang Anchors Away. Then yung Lion King, sobra. Kahit ulit-ulitin ko to, ang ganda. Ang gagaling nila. Fireworks kami. Mga 6 p.m. nakatambay na kami doon para ma-secure na yung pwesto namin sa fireworks. After namin Disneyland Resort. By the way, yung Disneyland ticket namin is nabili namin sa Klook. Alam ko naka-buy 3 get 1 free to last time kasi parang may anniversary yung Klook. May binili ako online, 4 yon. So, binenta ko yung 2. 3,950 lang yung ticket namin sa Disneyland. Going back from Disneyland Resort, we're going to Central Mongkok. So, sa Sunny Bay Station, Disneyland Resort to Sunny Bay Station is 52 pesos per head. Then, Sunny Bay Station, going to Liking Station, it's 91 pesos per head. Then, Liking Station, going to Mongkok Station, it's 53 pesos. Kumain kami sa Fong May Restaurant. Ang nakain namin, ang nabil namin is 547 per head. Going to Chungking na ulit. So, from Mongkok Station, going to Chim Cham Chewy Station, that's 42 pesos. Ang total na gastos namin for day 6 is 1,186 pesos. Okay, so last day, we're going to Macau. So first, nag-breakfast lang ulit kami sa hotel. Naalala ko kung ano lang din yung natira naming food ng day 6. Tinake out namin kasi ang dami talaga ng serving since mahina lang kasi akong kumain eh. Then nag-check out na rin kami sa ITAP Guest House sa Chungking Mansion. Then nag-ferry kami going to Macau. So bibili niyo yung ferry ticket sa Klook. So explain ko muna kung paano pumunta ng ferry or ng station. So sa Chungking Mansion, naglinakad namin going to Chim Cham Chewy Station. Then, from Chim Cham Chewy Station, going to Central Station, nag-MTR kami. That's 74 pesos. Then, from Central Station, nag-train ulit kami going to Xiong-1 Station via MTR. That's 35 pesos per head. Then, from Xiong-1 Station, walking distance na lang yung Hong Kong-Macau Ferry Pier. So, ang napili namin is Cotai Waterjet, 9:30 a.m. So, 1 hour lang yung biyahe. Then, that's 1,087 pesos per head. Alam ko, as of now, may mga free sakay sa ferry ngayon going to Macau. So, after 1 hour, nakakating na kami ng Macau. Nag-meet up kami with Kuya Eric. Ito kasi yung guide na kausap ko sa Macau. Kapag 4 packs, that's 150 Hong Kong dollars per head. So, ang ginawa ko para mas makatipid kami, naghanap ako sa isang group. And yon, ang nakilala ko is si Bernice tsaka yung mother niya. So, 4 na kami nag-tour sa Macau. Sasamahan na kayo nung guide. By the way, ang kausap ko is si Kuya Eric, pero iba yung guide na kasama namin. Siguro meron din siyang tour that time. So, that's 1,094 pesos per head. So, by the way, from the ferry ng Macau, pumunta kami ng Sands Macau via shuttle. Free lang yun. By the way, dun kasi is libre lahat ng mga bus going to sa mga casino or sa mga hotel. So, dun sa Sands Macau, nag-iwan kami ng luggage, 10 MOP per piece. So, that's 110 pesos. So, nag-start kami ng tour. We're going to Macau Fisherman's Wharf. Ito kasi hindi ko masyadong nakita or basta sunod lang kami ng sunod kay tour guide eh. Hindi ko na masyadong napansin kung ano yung mga bus na sinakyan namin. From Sands Macau, nilakad lang namin going to Macau Fisherman's Wharf. So, para siyang Italy. Italy type yung itsura niya. And from the Macau Fisherman's Wharf, nag-bus 10A kami going to Senado Square. Then sa Senado Square, may kinainan kami doon yung Good Snack Restaurant. Recommended yun ng tour guide. Masarap din yung food. Tapos, from Good Snack Restaurant, nag-Ruins of St. Paul kami. Walking distance na lang siya. Yun, nag-picture-picture din kami. Then, dinala niya kami sa The Venetian, Londoner, tsaka Parisian. Picture-picture lang. Medyo nakakapagod din talaga dito sa Macau tour kasi puro lakad. Then, bumalik kami ng Macau, bus 102X, mga 20 minutes. Itong mga transpo pala dito, within Macau, kapag may tour guide kayo, included na yun sa may nayaran nyo. So, wala akong idea kung magkano to eh. Kasi top lang ng top si kuya ng mga cards niya. So, kinuha na namin yung luggage namin. Then, from Sands Macau, nag-bus kami going to Macau International Airport. Since ang kinuha ko kasing flight namin is Manila to Hong Kong, Macau to Manila. Ganun lagi kong ginagawa para at least mapuntahan ko na yung Macau din. Tapos, from Macau, yung flight namin is 11:50 p.m. Expect nyo sarado lahat ng mga kainan sa Macau Airport. So, for me, magbaon na lang siguro kayo ng food before your flight or sa flight na lang kayo kumain. Parang ganun na yung kasi yung ginawa namin eh. So, ang nagastos namin for day 7 is 2,400 pesos. Included na dito yung breakfast, yung lunch, hindi ko na na-include. Tsaka yung transpo from Chim Cham Chewy going to the ferry, tsaka yung tour guide, yung bayad sa tour guide. Ang total na nagastos namin for this trip is 26,925 pesos. So, ito kasi is nakatipid kami sa Hong Kong goodies eh. Included na dito sa 26,925 lahat. So, that's the flight, accommodation, activities. transportation and food na nakain namin sa buong trip. So, isi-share ko na rin dyan yung vlog series ko that time. Ilalagay ko na lang din yung mga links kung ano yung mga nabili ko sa Klook. Then, you can use my promo code Lorraine Lalyave Klook for your activities. 5% discount din yan. Then, sa hotel naman, it's Lorraine Lalyave Hotel. 8% discount naman to sa mga hotels. So, ilalabas namin is yung Japan vlog series naman. So, see you on next vlog. Bye-bye!